Good afternoon. My name is Elena Hernandez. I'm with the Madani Real Estate team, and welcome to Mortgage Mondays. I'm here with Jim Black from Santa Cruz Home Finance, and we're going to discuss a couple lending scenarios today.
Well, thanks for having me. I'd love to talk to you about some options we have available for first-time home buyers. Maybe we can talk about FHA loans today, because that's a good topic that most people aren't aware of. That's a good option for first-time home buyers.
All right, sounds good, Jim. So let's just say I am interested in buying a home, but I don't have a huge down payment. Let's say maybe I've saved up $11,000 and I want to buy a home today. What's the best option for me?
Great question. So just because you don't have a large down payment doesn't mean that there aren't options available for you. On our FHA programs, you can put as low as 3.5% down, and there are options that you can have seller financing options available. That means the seller can actually give credits towards the down payment or closing costs to make that $11,000 go a lot longer.
What about credit history? If I have a short credit history or I don't have great credit, will I still qualify for this loan?
Another great question. So under FHA loans, the government has set this program up to be able to give you the advantage of only maybe having one credit line or maybe having a limited pass on credit to be able to get a loan. The challenge in California in the past was that the loan limits weren't big enough to be able to be an advantage. Well, now the loan limits are $679,650, which allows for a lot of buyers the ability to use FHA. So this is a government-backed loan that's been around for a long time, like I said, about 40 years. So it's a great program.
So FHA sounds like a really excellent option for somebody who wants to buy a home today rather than wait until they've saved up a larger down payment, say 20%.
Absolutely. And with rates being really low right now, every time the rates go up by 1%, it eliminates about 11% of your buying power.
Wow.
So sometimes you're better off buying with 3.5% down on an FHA loan than waiting until you get to that 10 or 20% mark, because the market may have continued to go up and rates may have gone up. So it might be a double disadvantage if you wait. So it's always good to talk to a realtor like yourself and a lender like me to really learn about your options to make sure you're educated and you're ready to take the next step when it's the right time.
What are the potential drawbacks of an FHA loan? Does any house qualify? Can we do fixer-uppers, or for a standard FHA, what could be the drawback?
Sure. So we use this program as a owner-occupied primary residence loan. And we look at condos, single-family residences, and townhomes.
Okay.
Those programs and houses all need to be in a good livable condition. That means they can't have any health and safety issues. They need to be able to be lived in within about 30 to 60 days of when you buy the house. So we like to look at this program really for people that are looking to buy and live somewhere for the long term. FHA loans do have, I would say, a little bit of a downside with the mortgage insurance.
Okay. Mortgage
insurance is a monthly payment and an upfront payment that is put into the loan, which you can't get out of unless you have a certain loan to value. And loan to value means whatever the current value of the home is compared to your current loan balance. Once that's below 80%, normally there are abilities to get out of mortgage insurance.
Well, this sounds like a really fantastic lending opportunity for people who want to buy a home today when rates are very low, rather than waiting until they have a higher down payment.
Absolutely. So it's always good to look at the opportunity cost of your money to make sure that you're putting yourself in the best situation for the long run for you and your family. And again, we're here to help, and feel free to take a look at our websites to learn more. And thank you guys for your time. And
awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jim, and I look forward to talking to you next week for Mortgage Monday.
Thanks, guys.
Have a nice day.